Hi there, I'm Sophie from the Nappy Lady, and today I'm going to be showing you this little Lovebum everyday all-in-one nappy. By the end of this video you will know exactly how this nappy works and who it works best for. The little Lovebum everyday is an all-in-one nappy, meaning everything is in one piece. So you don't need to add any extra parts, you can't lose any parts of this nappy. This can go straight onto your baby's bottom, and it even has a stay dry layer. This is a great option for quick changing, slim fitting daytime nappy, particularly if you're out and about and you just want something that's really quick to change. It's about as close to a disposable as you can get with regards to cloth nappies. Has excellent levels of absorbency and is easily boosted if you want to use it for nap time, for example. This nappy is a great option not only for out and about but also for childcare, because it is a no fuss option. This nappy has no extra bits, you just pop it onto the baby and you're good to go. Little Lovebum Everyday, as you can see, is a popper fastening nappy. It's unusual in that most birth to potty popper fastening nappies actually have 3 rows of poppers. As you can see, the Little Lovebum Everyday has 4 rows of poppers. This means that it's an ideal option even if your child is a little taller. At the lower end of the weight range, around 12 pounds, you can shorten the nappy so that it fits a smaller child. However, as your baby grows, the nappy can also grow right up to around 35 pounds at full length. Because it's an all-in-one, it's all in one piece. So there's no need to add any extra wrap. You can just put it straight onto your baby. This is a very slim fitting nappy, but it also offers pretty good containment as far as an all-in-one goes. And the reason why is because the Little Lovebum all-in-one has this hip popper fastening here, meaning that it just gives a much easier, neater fit, like so. The inside of this nappy is very, very highly absorbent. The absorbent inner section is made of a hemp and bamboo blend, meaning that it's really, really absorbent. It's not the quickest drying nappy, and because it's an all-in-one, you can't put this nappy in the tumble dryer. However, because it's hemp and bamboo, it will offer you excellent levels of absorbency for even an older child. It's unlikely that you'll need to boost this nappy. However, if you do need to add a booster for nap time for an older child, for example, it's very easy to do. You can simply pop one in here behind the absorbent layer and it's just as quick and easy to put on. Because it's hemp and bamboo, you will need to pre-wash this several times to reach a maximum level of absorbency. This nappy has a stay dry layer integrated into the nappy, so this can go straight onto your baby's bottom and they will still feel dry. However, if you wish to add an additional liner to catch the poo, make it easier to get rid of the poo, then you can also do that with this nappy, and you just place it on like so. The Little Lovebum Everyday is a great all-in-one daytime nappy. The absorbent inner is made of bamboo and hemp, meaning you've got really, really high levels of absorbency. As far as all-in-ones go, this is going to give you very, very good levels of absorbency. It's great for taller children because it's generous in the length, it's very slim fitting, and it's very quick to change as well. The downside of an all-in-one means that you're not going to get the same levels of containment and absorbency as you would with a 2-part system. However, being hemp and bamboo, it will offer you really good levels of absorbency. We don't recommend putting this nappy in the tumble dryer because you can't separate the outer waterproof wrap, and we don't recommend this nappy for nighttime use. But if you're looking for a really slim fitting, breathable, absorbent, daytime nappy that's mid-price range, not going to break the bank, then the Little Lovebum Everyday is a really good option.